This is the brief on ninth grade math topics. Alright, so if you have a ninth grader in Georgia, you should know their math path just split into two very different roads. And it all depends on what they got done in middle school. First, let's talk about the path most students will take, the standard track. It's officially called Algebra Concepts and Connections. The big idea here is something called mathematical modeling, which is really just a fancy way of saying they'll use math to understand real life. So, they're going to be using linear and exponential functions to connect algebra to the actual world. Second, if your student already finished algebra in 8th grade, they're heading for the accelerated geometry track. But don't be fooled. This isn't just drawing shapes. It's more like a logic boot camp. They'll be building formal proofs and tackling some pretty complex trigonometry, sine, cosine, and tangent. And finally, let's cover the tests. This is a big one. Students in that standard algebra course have to take the Georgia Milestones end-of-course test. And get this, that one exam can make up 20% of their final grade. Meanwhile, the accelerated students, they typically don't have an EOC for this course since they already cleared that hurdle. So, the year really boils down to whether your student is modeling the world with algebra or proving how it all fits together with geometry. Now you've got the formula for ninth grade success.